Hello, this is a quick video about how to use lead-forward IQ tools. So to get there, I've just Googled leadforward.com. I'm going to click on the resources tab, and then IQ has the nice magnifying glass. So the importance of this is that whenever you are planning a lesson, you should understand the verb of the teach. So I'm selecting an 8th grade math lesson that I already know is in the proportional um, cluster. So I selected TEKS cluster. I'm going to select proportional reasoning. And the standard that is on the lesson is 8-4C. So when you look at 8-4C, I'm only going to select the last 3 years to investigate the question type. Now, once you're here, it's really important to look at the process standard so that you understand what your students should be doing or what it would look like. And then the actual TEK is listed here where students use data. So that's the verb. And the stimulus is going to be from a table or a graph. And what they're doing with the table and graph is they're determining the rate of change or the slope and y-intercept. So from there, you can look at the question types. It gives us the stimulus of the graph. And this one, it's multiple choice and they're using the y-intercept. So you could be identifying certain vocabulary and how it is asked specifically. So again, this one is using that vocabulary of slope and the stimulus is a graph. Another graph and y-intercept. Now, as you begin to scroll through the questions, which the year that they were tested and the question number are listed here in the top left-hand corner. Now you can see this one uses the slope and decimal. So the answer could be a decimal, and it is a griddable, which means a numerical response. So that makes it a little more challenging. And then, of course, they finally give us one for a table, and it doesn't even use the vocabulary word slope here, but whenever it says worked X and Y amount of money, so that's going to be part of the teacher's responsibility to catch any misconceptions that could, for ways that it could possibly be tested.